Hello, this is Nadal Hayek and Isabella Salado. We are research coordinators at Parkwood Institute in Cognitive Clinical Trials. We coordinate the comprehensive assessment of neurodegeneration and dementia, also known as the COMPASS-ND study. This study is being conducted across 35 sites all over Canada.
The Canadian Consortium on Neurodegeneration and Aging, the CCNA study, is the national research initiative compiling rigorous information on individuals with cognitive impairments or dementia. The study is funded by CIHR and engages over 350 dementia researchers. A component of the study mandate is to develop and carry out an observational study of real-world cases across 7 different types and severity of cognitive impairments. The result is the COMPASS-ND study.
The objective of our project is to create a pan-Canadian set of cohorts of participants with various cognitive disorders and to integrate a wide range of experimental, clinical, imaging, and genetic data. We aim to address the cause, identify, and manage treatment and prevention of cognitive conditions in the aging population. We collect biospecimens, imaging, genetics, and brain donations to support the research within CCNA investigators and internationally.
We have assembled a cohort of deeply phenotyped participants who are at risk for dementia or who already have dementia that are representative of patients typically presenting to memory clinics. As a result, we collect clinical data to support the 20 national research teams, and we release data to the CCNA teams for analysis and publication. Our study involves up to 5 visits within a 3-month period and potentially 5 visits 2 years from the initial visit. There is also an annual telephone call at the 1-year mark from the initial visit. The visits entail memory testing, an MRI scan, background demographic questions, alongside neurophysical testing and potentially a lumbar puncture.
To date, 50% of the participants have been recruited across the diagnostic cohorts. On top of continuing our baseline recruitments, our sites have started or completed 215 2-year follow-up visits. Thorough and consistent data monitoring and double data entry have allowed for a data release of 450 participants. Also, during the recruitment pause from the COVID-19 pandemic, our team pivoted and focused on addressing the backlog of data monitoring, double entry, and data upload.
So our target number is 2,310 participants enrolled, and to date, our study has enrolled 1,147 participants. Figure 1 is the breakdown of all the cohorts and the percentage of enrollment for each. The light green section is our highest enrolling group with participants with mild cognitive impairment. Figure 2 outlines all of the sites and the number of participants recruited in each cohort at each site. And finally, table 1 is the breakdown of all the cohorts and the target numbers alongside the percentage enrolled.
To date, 32 sites have been trained on the COMPASS-ND study. As Isabella said, we have 1,147 participants that have been enrolled, with the largest group being mild cognitive impairment, participants with mild cognitive impairments. COMPASS-ND study is an established and implemented study and is still actively recruiting. Thank you for coming to our poster presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Thank you.